Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark using Safari. First of all, let's launch the Safari. And for example, today, let's say we want to find a particular page for celebrity. Let's say, for example, we want to go to Ronaldo's website, right? So for example, we want to look into Ronaldo or Ronaldo's news. All you gotta do at this point is you gotta click in the middle of the lower right corner where you see the arrow pointing up. You click on this, you want to scroll down and you want to click add bookmark. Very important here is that you can actually change the name of the bookmark. It doesn't have to be the exact website because you have the link of the website beneath. So you can actually change the title. And this is very important because if you have multiple different bookmarks, it will be much easier for you just to scroll through the titles to the names that you actually put individually rather than going through the links and trying to find out which one is which. After you're done editing the name, for example, right, you click save and you move on. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually find your bookmarks, right? Let's say we already saved the Ronaldo's bookmark and we saved already 10 or 15 different pages or websites. The easiest way to access your bookmark list is to click on the icon that is next to the arrow icon underneath. You see there is an icon that looks like an open book. You click on it and here you will have all your bookmarks, you will have all your favorites, you will have groups and other information that you previously opened and saved in form of a bookmark. This is very important and this is where the key role of you naming each and every page or each and every website will play a key role because it will save you a lot of time. Just think about if you on a daily basis save different bookmarks, different websites, it will be extremely hard for you to go back to 360 plus different website or pages or bookmarks, right? But now if you have a bookmark that it says Ronaldo or Ronaldo's website or Ronaldo's web page, it will be much easier to find it, right? Don't forget that you also can type and search in the search query bar that will help you to access the bookmark faster. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Safari history without any restrictions, easy and simple. First of all you gotta do is to go on your settings on your iPhone. Then you need to scroll down to Safari settings, which are beneath the FaceTime. You click on Safari settings in particular, and here you will see plenty of options in customization. But you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down and you will find the option that it says clear history and website data. This is the latest version from the iOS. You want to make sure that you have the most recent update, because if you don't, you have to do additional steps on the settings. You have to go back to the screen time, which simply not allowing you with the older version to clear your browsing data. There were particular restrictions with this. So in my opinion, first of all, you want to check your recent version of iOS. You want to make sure that it's up to date. Then you're going to go through the steps that I just showed you. You go on settings, you scroll down to Safari settings. Then when you're into Safari settings, you scroll all the way down and you click on the blue right over here, the link that gives you the availability to clear the history on Safari for the last hour, for the last day and yesterday, and all history. This also allows you, if you have on the back end multiple different tabs open, which we all know are simply draining your battery and the lifetime of your battery is getting shorter and shorter. You can simply do that with additional options. You just toggle this in and it will close automatically all the tabs on the back end. So this is how you actually clear your browsing history on Safari with 3 simple steps. Again, if you come to this menu and if you cannot simply click on the blue clear history and website data, this means that you have to upgrade your software. You have to go to software update, and if you did not set this automatically, you have to upgrade your software manually. And then you can come back to this and you will be able to click with 2 simple clicks and clear all your browsing history with the time frame you would like to. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the restrictions on Safari. You know how sometimes you cannot open particular websites or pages. Now I'm going to show you how to remove these restrictions and where is this particular settings. First thing first, let's launch the settings. You want to scroll down to screen time. This is the section of the settings that you want to log in. You go to screen time, then you want to scroll down and you will find a section that is called content and privacy restrictions. You want to click on this and then you want to make sure that the content and privacy restrictions is toggle in. You want to make sure it's green, because if it's not green you cannot simply change anything. As you can see, each and every text or line is simply gray, so you cannot make any updates. So toggle this in, make it green, then you want to scroll down to content restrictions. Content restrictions is directly related to the content that you browse online. Then you want to scroll down to the web content. This is the secret and where the magic happens. When you click on web content, you want to make sure that the setting it says unrestricted. The default setting that is coming with an iPhone, it's always allowed websites, which simply means that the websites that are allowed by the criteria by iOS or by Safari are the only websites that will be opening without any issues. The websites that doesn't follow the security checks will simply be unopenable, so they will be restricted. For you to fix that, you have to toggle unrestricted. So this means that each and every website that you want to open or page will simply be opened. Very, very cautious. You want to make sure that the pages or websites that you want to open are not with viruses, that are not some crazy hacks, right? Because this will simply let you to open any page in any website. I want to make sure that I mention this, so you will proceed with cautious. If you guys have more questions, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find all of your Safari tabs open and how you can close all of them at once. The first thing that you want to do, you want to click on your settings. When you're at your settings, you want to scroll down to the Safari option over here, and then you want to click on it. When you're at Safari, you want to scroll down to the section that is called Clear History and Website Data. When you click on this, you have this small option underneath which it says Close All Tabs. So in our case, we have to take this on, and essentially this will close our number of open tabs at this point. This is very important because remember, when you open something on Safari, they didn't appear on the actual page next time when you come back and open a new page from Safari. This is not like the Google Chrome where everything is visible. These pages are on the background, they consume from your battery, and essentially this is not good because this might slow down your phone and your experience. So this is how you essentially do everything that will prevent draining of your battery. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the private browsing function on Safari while you're using your iPhone. It's very easy guys, very simple. The same thing actually works as well if you're using your desktop, Apple device or your tablet as well. So the first thing you want to launch is the Safari, and then when you're over here on the regular usual home screen, right, you want to click over here on the lower side of the screen, and then you want to swipe to the right side. Okay, this is where you're going to find the private browsing. What is important about this? Well, private browsing essentially is using the same functionality as the incognito mode on Google Chrome. There's a couple of updates, as you can see over here. There are search suggestions, while you browse privately. Suggestions are on the device based. Okay, so this means that if you still have the same account logged in through iPhone, tablet, or laptop, you're only going to get the suggestions that are based on the phone usage only, not on the tablet, neither on the laptop as well. So if you click continue, all you gotta do over here is that you want to proceed and click the plus sign. Now you're able essentially to turn on the privately browsing function, and this will help you essentially to prevent tracking. This will help you not get targeted from different companies, from ads, no cookies. Private browsing adds additional privacy protection for all of your private tabs. After you close the tab, Safari will not remember the pages you visited. This is very important. This is how you enter into a private browsing mode on the Safari. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.